Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and today we're going to read the letter sound story for the letter V, the van. Let's take a look. You can read the story with me. Let's begin. The van, written by Mrs. Gronnert. The van is red. The van is fast. Go, van, go. Go fast. We like to go in the van. Go, van, go. Go fast. We can go to the zoo. Go, van, go. Go to the zoo. The van is red. The van is fast. Go, van, go. Go fast. You can go in the van. The van is red. The van is fast. Go, van, go. Go fast. I hope you enjoyed the story today. Remember, you can read it again and again. See you soon.